supposed to be about, baby? Girl, free up your eyes, stop acting crazy.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download video star packs for free. However, while doing this, there is a disclaimer. Once you download this video star, you have to delete the original video star, which means you will lose all of your process whatsoever. So yeah, but you do get all the packs for free. But anyway, let's get started. So firstly, you're going to want to go to the website DzMohaipa, and I will leave the link down below. And then you're going to go scroll down until you say application DzMohaipa English version by DzMohaipa, and you can install it. Once this happens, it's going to show you this, which asks if you would like to install this version. You say install, but I already have it installed, so I don't have to install it. Now, once this is installed, you will click on the app, but this will happen. It says unable to verify app. An internet connection is required, blah 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 blah. So basically, click cancel and then go to your settings, and then there you're going to want to go to general and scroll down until you see device management, and you're going to click Libo International Investment Develop whatever, and then you're going to click trust and trust again. Now, once you have trusted this, you're going to go to DzMohaipa, the app, and you're going to go to application, but there are going to be some ads waiting for you because they want that money to go. So you can go to applications, then go to tweaked apps and type in video star in the search bar, and then click install once it shows up, and click install again. Back to you guys once video star has installed. As proof that you get all these packs free, I'm going to go to the lightning bolt, and I'm going to go to buy single packs. Now as you can see, you have all of the packs. If I click on this, it's subscribed. If I click Zaps, it's subscribed. If I go to multi-layer, it's subscribed. I'm going to go all the way down just to show you that I have all the packs. It's subscribed. So guys, all the packs, you have all the packs. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!